This is Victoria Wang from Jiangsu Yawei Power Transformer. This video was taken on November 16. It's the water date on November 16, Thursday afternoon. Yeah, afternoon, about afternoon 3 p.m. Chinese time. Here is our Yawei number 7 workshop. It's mainly about the wrapping of the wire. I will take you shorter view to see our factory production line. Here is for the wire. They are aluminum wire and copper wire. Production according to customers' requirements.没有，我看一下的，然后。Okay, let's visit this workshop quickly.